To recover your OKX wallet account, start by visiting the OKX website and clicking on the Login button. If you are unable to access your account, click on the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset your password. If you are still unable to access your account, you will need to verify your identity by providing the required documents, such as your government-issued ID and proof of address. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can access the account. Once your identity is verified, you can proceed to restore your OKX Exchange wallet by clicking on the Restore Wallet option. You will be required to provide your wallet seed phrase or private key to complete the restoration process. It is essential to keep your seed phrase or private key safe and secure, as losing them can result in permanent loss of access to your wallet. It is recommended to store them in a secure location, such as a hardware wallet or a safe, to prevent unauthorized access to your account. It is also recommended to enable two-factor authentication and use a strong and unique password. Regularly updating your password and keeping your account information up to date can also help to prevent account compromise. If you encounter any issues during the recovery process, you can contact OKX customer support for assistance. They will guide you through the process and help you to regain access to your account. In conclusion, recovering your OKX wallet account is a straightforward process that requires verifying your identity and restoring your wallet using your seed phrase or private key. By following these steps and taking necessary security measures, you can ensure the safety and security of your account and assets.